how to add the SmartThings screen remote widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Widgets. After that, scroll down and then tap on SmartThings. Then we scroll down to the screen remote section, and here's the control screen devices through your home screen widget. Here you can choose a TV, so select a small size or a large size widget and drop it onto the home screen and let go. Next, select your location, and then you need to have a supported devices added to your SmartThings. So in your apps screen in here, if you open up SmartThings, make sure you have a TV added. So we go to devices and then add in a TV. So once you have added in a TV screen, and then that will become available in the widgets here. So we go down to SmartThings and then select screen remote and drop onto the home screen like that. And you need to select your supported TV from the list here. If it's not in the list here, that means that TV or device is not supported. And once you have selected, you can tap on done and the widget will appear on the screen for you to control your TV. Now at the moment, I do not have a compatible TV with this phone setup, so hence I cannot complete the process of setting up the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.